What if you lost everything today? No money, no connections, no plan. How would you start from scratch? This is a situation that terrifies many people. But the truth is, there is a path to rebuild and multiply your money quickly, without needing luck or dubious shortcuts. If you feel stuck in the same place for years, or simply don't know where to begin to change your financial life, stay with me until the end, because today I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I had to start from zero and turn 0 reais into 100,000 reais in the fastest and most efficient way possible. But before we begin, a warning. This video is not about magic formulas or unrealistic promises. I won't tell you to bet on the lottery, get involved in shady schemes, or wait for money to fall from the sky. What I'm going to show you here is a realistic plan based on strategies that have already worked for thousands of people. And the difference between those who truly go from zero to success and those who remain stuck is simple: action. So, if you're ready to change your financial reality once and for all, pay attention to every detail, because this might be the most valuable information you'll see today. The first thing that prevents most people from getting out of zero is not a lack of money, but the wrong mindset. You've probably heard phrases like, "Money doesn't bring happiness," or "Only those who are born rich can get wealthy." These beliefs are deeply ingrained in society and cause many people to self-sabotage without realizing it. The first step in changing your financial life is to eliminate these limiting beliefs. If you believe that money is hard to make, that only privileged people can get rich, or that hard work is the only solution, then your own mindset is already holding you back. The wealthy don't think like that. They know that money is just a tool, and the key to wealth isn't working more, but working smarter. Now that we understand this, let's move on to the first practical step anyone can take to get out of zero. Eliminate financial waste and build a minimal base. The truth is, many people spend money without realizing it. Small expenses like unnecessary subscriptions, credit card interest, and impulse purchases drain your money without you noticing. The first step is to cut everything that isn't essential. But it's not just about saving, it's about creating an initial reserve, no matter how small. If you're starting from absolute zero, your priority should be to generate money as quickly as possible, and there are several ways to do this without needing initial capital. This is where the money multiplier strategy comes in. If I had to start from zero today, my first action would be to find a quick and efficient way to turn 100 reais into 1,000 reais. This can be done in several ways: reselling high-demand products, offering simple services online, working as a freelancer, or even identifying local opportunities. The secret here is to find something with a significant profit margin that can be scaled quickly. For example, selling a product that costs 50 reais and reselling it for 100 reais may seem small at first, but when you repeat this process many times, the cumulative effect is powerful. But how do you choose the best strategy to start? Simple: by focusing on profitable niches. Today, there are several markets with high demand and low barriers to entry. If I had to start over, I would choose one of these niches and specialize as quickly as possible. Digital services like video editing, social media art creation, and copywriting are highly profitable and can be learned quickly. Another example is the reselling market, where you buy cheap products and sell them at a higher price, either on marketplaces like Shopee and Mercado Livre, or even through word of mouth. The important thing is to choose something that can grow without requiring huge investments. In addition to finding a profitable niche, one of the biggest secrets to accelerating financial growth is leveraging the power of networking. Many people ignore this, but the truth is that who you know can completely change your trajectory. If you don't have contacts, your priority should be to connect with people who are already where you want to be. But how do you do this? The number one rule of networking is simple: offer value before asking for anything in return. If you want to learn from someone who is already successful, think about how you can help that person before expecting anything from them. It could be offering a service, helping with something simple, or simply showing genuine interest. Building good connections can open doors that would otherwise take years to access. Now that you have an initial source of income, the next step is to create a scalable income source. Most people work by trading time for money, but this is not how the wealthy build wealth. Scalable businesses allow you to earn more without increasing your working hours. Examples of this include digital businesses, like selling online courses, investing in affiliate marketing, or even monetizing content on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. If I had to start over, I would choose a scalable model from the start to ensure that my financial growth wouldn't be limited by my available time. But here's a fatal mistake most people make: spending the first profit instead of reinvesting it. If you want to grow fast, you need to understand that every reel that comes in should be treated as a resource to generate more money. The wealthy do this all the time. Instead of spending their first earnings on luxury or immediate consumption, they reinvest to scale their results. The logic is simple. If your money is sitting idle, it's being wasted. The secret to multiplying wealth is constant reinvestment, whether by expanding a business, investing in assets, or acquiring new skills. Now, none of this will work if you don't eliminate distractions and stay completely focused. Today, we live in the information age where everything competes for our attention. Social media, entertainment, notifications. All of this steals time and energy that could be used to build your financial independence. If you truly want to get out of zero, you need to treat your time as your most valuable resource. This means creating a plan, following a disciplined routine, and avoiding anything that hinders your progress. Over the next 6 months, your mission should be to cut distractions as much as possible and focus entirely on building your financial future. And now comes the final question. Does this really work? Yes, it works. Not just for me, but for thousands of people who started with no money, no contacts, and no special advantages. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't the method, but the execution. If you follow this plan and put it into practice every day, it's only a matter of time before results appear. But if you just watch this video and do nothing, 6 months from now, your situation will be exactly the same. Now, the choice is yours. Stay where you are or take action today. In the coming days, set a clear goal. Choose a profitable niche, eliminate distractions, and start taking action. Time will pass anyway, and the only question that matters is, where do you want to be 6 months from now? If you're ready to change your life, I'll see you in the next video.